How to enable Google Authenticator on Binance. So if you want to enable Google Authenticator on Binance, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Binance application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with the profile, which is on the upper left. And here you can go with settings, which is on the top right. And here you may have the two-factor authentication, but if you don't have that option, then you can just simply tap on more services. Under more services, and here you need to tap on the profile, which is on the upper left. Once you tap on profile, now you need to go with security. Under security, here you will have the Authenticator app, right? So in my case, I've already enabled my Authenticator on Binance, but if you've not enabled your Authenticator, then you will have enable option or just exclamation with the yellow color. So you just need to simply tap on Authenticator app. Once you tap on it, it will have a button which says link. So you just need to simply tap on link. And once you tap on link, before proceeding, you need to download your Binance Authenticator. Like for example, you need to go with your Google Authenticator. Make sure that you have installed this Authenticator application. Once you install the application, then you can just simply proceed with the steps. Tap on link. Once you tap on link, then it will give you the QR code or security key. You can just copy the security key, or you can just simply take the QR code, and after that you can open up your Authenticator. After opening your Authenticator, now you need to go with the bottom right, which has that plus icon, and you can go with your security code, QR code or the setup key. So if you've selected QR code, you can just go with the QR code and then scan the QR code. Or if you go with setup key, then you need to paste the code name and then your key, and you can choose time-based or counter-based and then tap on add. And in this way, you'll be able to enable your Google Authenticator on your Binance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.